Welcome to Suson Park.
You know,
We have Connor. We have Kaden. Hi, Kaden.
Hi, Dada. And we have this little guy, Cameron.
Oh my gosh. Exciting.
We have this little Cameron guy.
And we have Cameron. Hey, not that close. Be careful. See the ducks, Kaden?
Yeah.
They have 2 lakes, a big playground, and right now we are going to see what kind of animals they have here. Kaden just keeps saying nay nay. He wants to see the horses. Alright, we're at one of the barns. Connor, can you read the sign for us? Suson Farm rules. Please do not feed the animals. No bikes, rollerblades, or skateboards. No smoking, no pets. Thank you. Oh, look. I see Stanley. Stanley's a miniature donkey. He was born in 2019. That makes him about 5 years old. Hey, Connor. You were born in 2019. You guys are almost the same age. You're a little bit older than him. Here we have...
I'm 5.5, he's just 5.
Smokey. Smokey is also a miniature horse. Smokey was born in 2004. He's pretty old. He's almost 20 years old. He is 20 years old.
He's 20.
You can hop up there, take
He's
a better
20,
look.
Dad.
Smokey's an old miniature horse.
He's eating hay.
Hi, Smokey.
Hi, Smokey.
Okay. Next up, we have Penny. Penny escaped.
Penny's out there.
Oh, Penny's out there. We have Lucy. Lucy was born in 1997. Kaden, you see the horse?
Oh, Lucy. Lucy.
Lucy has a lot of hay on her back.
Yeah, Lucy's so big. Lucy.
All right.
Goodbye, Lucy. Lucy's going out for a little. I guess she's not. Hi, Lucy. Lucy. Is she a girl?
Lucy is a girl name, so I'm sure that's a girl. Oh, yes. It says mare. A mare is a female.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, gosh.
That horsey's mad.
That's Parker.
Parker? Parker's
Hey,
so
Parker.
big. Look, he was born in 1999.
Whoa, Kaden, what do you think?
199.
Say hi to Parker.
She was born in
He won't get any
199.
closer. He's nice. Go this way, Connor. Did you like the miniature horses? Yeah? Alright, which direction should we go, Connor? Kaden, which direction do you want to go?
I want to go that way.
You have to see the chickens or the goats first.
I want to go across the bridge.
Alright,
That ball.
crossing the bridge.
I want to go across the bridge.
Okay.
I want to go into the barn and then out.
What do you see? Bok bok?
See what's inside the barn?
He's saying bok bok, so he wants to go by the chickens. Connor, what kind of colored chickens do you see? That chicken's pecking the leaf.
And I see,
See him, Kate?
and then I see a red and,
Connor, look at that one in the hole.
chicken.
Let's see. There's a white chicken, a orangish brown chicken.
There's a fake mama.
Oh, I think those are turkeys, Connor.
These are the turkeys. These are the chickens. Chickens, turkeys.
What's the difference between a
These
chicken
are
and
the
a turkey?
turkeys, these are the chickens.
What's the
Chickens
difference?
have little things on their head that are red. And turkeys have little bumps on their heads. Little bumps. They can be any color.
It's true.
Yeah, these are the turkeys.
It looks like turkeys grow much larger than chickens,
Yeah.
and I know they taste different.
Yeah. They taste different.
Oh, there's a gray turkey over here.
Turkeys, they like turkeys, but they have a little salt. They have a little salty flavor in them. Yeah.
Interesting. All right, where are you taking us now?
Over in the barn.
Oh my gosh. Before we get to the barn, take a look to your right. There is a goat on top of a picnic table. Oh my.
Over this barn.
We'll come back for the goats.
Barn. You're that big, Dada.
Yep.
Barn. Come on, Daddy.
Oh, I told you with the rain that would be very muddy over here.
Yes. After this, we will go across the bridge again.
Hmm? Blanche, Rose, and Daisy. Hang on, Caden wants to see the pigs.
Hey, Piggy, Piggy. Piggy, Piggy.
What do you think, Caden?
Piggy.
Say pig.
Piggy.
And what does a pig say? What does a pig say? Oink oink. Yeah. Do they smell good or are they stinky? They're stinky. Are they clean or are they dirty? They're dirty. That's right.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's check out what's over here.
There's a bunch of hay.
That's where the pigs sleep when they come in when it gets colder out. Otherwise, I think they like the outdoors.
There's another pen.
That's right.
That's where they play, that's where they eat, and that's where they sleep.
Yeah, it's a pen. Pig pen.
Yeah, they can eat in there when it's outside and you can't eat outside. That's where they pour food, and there's geese and goats.
Caden, what do you see?
Look at the geese. Look at the geese.
Connor, look at that one on top of the picnic table.
Oh, yeah. They like to eat leaves. Look. Eat leaves.
Oh, there's a goose in there, I believe. Connor, see the goose?
It kind of looks like a pelican. Well,
It's nice there.
they have leaves in there that night.
They're all getting along. There's goats, ducks, and a goose. All getting along together. Connor, their names are Gaston, Kronk, Cheddar, and McFlurry.
I just threw them a leaf.
Well,
I
they
threw
don't,
them a leaf because they like to eat leaves.
I don't
They're
think they do.
they're
Well,
leaf geese.
don't put anything in there, but yes, he did just eat a leaf.
Yeah, because they have he's eating leaves. Because these are different kind of goats. They're goats that eat leaves. Mama.
Interesting.
They like leaves.
You see the goose in there? Oh, it's the goose that's making the noise. Interesting. I thought it was the goats. Do you see the goose? Where's the goose? Yeah. Oh, you hear the ducks? Where's the ducks at? What sound does a duck make? Good job. They're looking at you. And what sound does a goat make? What sound does a goat make?
You got it. You got it.
Well, look, the ducks are right next to you. You see them?
Yeah, they eat everything.
I just gave him a couple
All right, let's go through the barn.
He leaves that on the ground instead of me feeding. I gotta go.
Is that Gaston?
I think
Like
so.
the character at Disney World?
Okay. I'm gonna go get another leaf.
All right, let's go.
I'm gonna feed him one more leaf.
Oh,
Grab it.
here's
Eat the food.
the turkeys.
I told him to go back there and eat his leaves.
Remember when we were outside over there, when the turkeys were outside? It looks like the door's open so they can come inside if they're cold.
Yeah.
Or
They're
if they
cold
just want
right
to take
now.
a rest.
They're kind of cold.
Let's keep on moving on. Over here, oh, the chickens are separate from the turkeys. I wonder if that's on purpose. Do you
That's
think
not
chickens
on-
and turkeys get along with one another?
No.
I don't think so.
Yeah, because I know they like to peg each other.
Oh look, ducks.
They like to. Oh, there's one out right now. One just got out of the fence.
Oh man.
Timmy, I scared that dog. The dog scared me, then I scared him.
Oh my gosh. Look,
Little cat.
there's
Oh,
just a random cat in here.
hi. Little cat. It's
Oh,
not.
the black and white cat, his name is Trouble. And there's an all black cat named Midnight.
Oh shoot! That black and cat names.
I wonder why they named him Trouble.
Because it causes trouble.
You think so?
Oh shoot! He's got his eye on me.
He does.
Yeah, he's
keeping an
creepy.
eye on you.
Look at him. Look at him.
Do you see Midnight anywhere in there?
No, don't see him.
He could be inside his house in there, hanging out.
Look, Dad.
All right, see you later, Trouble. Stay out of trouble.
Hey, trouble. 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 Trouble.
Later, Trouble.
Later, trouble. Trouble.
There's the ducks. Remember, Connor, geese like to use their long beaks to poke at you. So we don't want to put our hands, feet, or clothes next to them. They try to come out of the fence and try to nibble our fingers.
How do these scary?
Do you like the ducks or the geese better?
Me.
Oh, yep, he's making noises, isn't he?
Mama. The ducks are eating in there.
Oh, yep. Send that out. Connor,
There's mamas in here.
would you like me to read their names for you?
Yes.
Parmesan and Pepper Jack.
And pepper jack.
Parmesan and Pepper Jack. I don't see them in there.
They're not.
Oh,
in
they're around the other side.
Yeah.
Kaden, you see the goats? I see a white and brown goat. I see a black and white goat. There's kind of a grayish brown one hanging out on that swing over there.
Ew, yeah, those food bags.
Yeah.
Hey, yo.
Hi, goat.
Oh, they're gonna come. I think they like Mama. Yes, they do.
Is that the mommy goat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mama, nine.
Do you remember what a goat says?
Mama.
Oh my gosh, they're eating more leaves.
Yeah, cause I'm crumbling up leaves and putting them in their bucket so they can eat more. 'Cause
They got plenty in there.
really don't.
Oh, I missed one. There's a brown one behind you, Connor. Brown goat.
You said behind me.
I'm gonna take a closer look at this one on the swing. Hi, goat. Hi, goat.
Mama.
See the one on the swing over there, buddy? Yeah. Okay, say bye to the goats.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
If you look straight ahead and up, what do you see? This way. What's in front of you? That's called a windmill.
Want to bomb me?
Yep. All right.
Honestly, that is milk. Can I squeeze cow's milk?
Want to squeeze them?
Yeah.
The udders? Yep, try it out.
Then milking machines are attached to the udders.
Try it out.
The milking machines gently suck the milk out of cows. Don't worry, the milking machines don't hurt the cows. In fact,
Oh, some milk came out, didn't it?
Each
Good job.
cow takes about 5 minutes to milk. Once a cow is completely milked, the milkers come off by themselves. The udders are cleaned again,
Good job.
and then the cows can do whatever they want until the next milking, sleeping, eating, or playing.
That's how farmers milk cows, how we get our milk.
Each cow can produce more than 10 gallons of milk.
Good job.
The milk from all of the cows travels in the milking parlor through pipes into a special tank that cools the milk.
What's the cow say?
Moo!
Yep.
Farmers then perform a lot of tests on the milk to make sure it's safe, healthy, and delicious. The milk made at the farm is
This is JoJo. That is a female cow, so that's a girl. Hi, JoJo.
Jojo's mad. You see her? Look at Jojo. Now look at Jojo. Look at Jojo. Jojo's like, look at Jojo.
They like cold climates because they have thick fur, so they don't mind being out in the cold. This is Maggie.
Jojo's
Maggie's a female, so that's a girl cow.
Maggie.
What do you notice different about this cow? By her head.
Gate.
By her head. What do you notice different about this one? No. What's on her head? She's got big horns.
The ones that don't have horns are females.
I think males and females have horns. Just depends on the different type of cow. Next up is Butterbean. Oh, you walked right past Butterbean. Hi, Butterbean.
Butterbean and Butterball. Butterball.
Ooh. This is also a female, another girl.
He pooped.
Yep. Oh, look behind us, Connor. Let's
a horse.
see this one first. Pinto bean. Hey, Pinto bean.
Pinto bean over and looked at me. Hey.
This one is Rocky. Connor, Rocky is a male.
I have a friend named Rocky at my school.
Awesome. What is a male?
A little kid.
Male is a boy. Rocky is a bull.
Rocky's a bull, but
Mhm.
he's a little guy. He's a little guy. And look, he has a little baby butt.
He was born in 2024, so he's only a few months old.
Yeah,
He looks big.
yeah, when he's small.
Cameron's only a few months old. Rocky's only a few months old. There's a big difference, isn't there? All right, next up we have Samson. Oh my.
Oh, shoot.
Rocky is going to grow up to be as big as Samson. What do you think about that?
Look at Sansom.
Samson. Samson was born in 2019.
He looks giant.
He is a giant.
I'm 5.5.
Next
He's 5.5.
is Rosie.
Rosie?
Rosie is a heifer. A heifer is a female. A female is a girl.
She's over there staring at the wall.
Yep, yes.
Oh, sorry.
And then over here to the left,
Ruh-roh.
oh, we have horses. Let's go over here, Connor. Coco. Okay, didn't you see the horse?
Yeah.
Coco is a mare. A mare is a female horse. So that's a girl horse.
Dog. Bro. Bro, why are you eating hay? Why are you eating hay?
That's
You
what horses
gotta go
eat.
to the bathroom? Pee. Get inside there. Don't pee out here
Yeah.
or outside.
Well, that's what the caretakers are for. The caretakers come in and clean up their pens probably every day.
That's Mackenzie.
This is JD. JD is a gelding, which is a male horse.
JD.
Hi, JD.
Hi, JD. What's up, JD boy?
Can you read that name? Read the letters.
T-O-D-Y.
Sound it out. Toby. Toby. Toby just went outside. Let's go check him out around the outside. All right, we're gonna come around.
It's supposed to be an E there instead of a O.
All right, we're coming, Toby.
Toby E. So now we went in there and we explored all the horses in the house.
There's Mackenzie. She was hiding on the outside.
Yeah, Mackenzie's outside here. Hi, Mackenzie. Mackenzie. Hi, Mackenzie. Mackenzie, did you just poop outside?
Probably.
Mackenzie did poop. Mackenzie pooped.
JD,
Let's go here,
Toby. There's Toby.
Here's Toby. Toby's outside here. Toby. Then Toby's outside.
Yep, there's Toby.
Toby pooped. Toby pooped right there. That was Toby.
Coming to the front here. Let's take a look at him.
Toby.
That's one big horse.
Hi, Toby.
Kaden, you see Toby? Say hi, Toby.
Toby.
You say his name. Say Toby.
Baba.
And what does horse say?
No. Hi, Toby. Toby.
He hears you.
Hi, Toby. Toby's staring at me, guys.
Sure is.
Toby's staring at me.
Yep. All right, bye, Toby.
Stop it, Toby. Stop it, Toby.
Kaden, say bye to Toby.
Stop staring at me. Stop,
You gonna wave to him, Kaden?
please. Bye-bye.
Hi, Toby.
Stanley. Stop. Stanley a donkey. Stanley a donkey.
Stanley's a donkey.
Stanley's a donkey.
Yep.
Stanley. Bye, Stanley. Have a nice day out there.
Bye, Stanley.
Go and poop.
Have a nice day going poop. That's not all they do. It's just most of what they do.
They just poop. They poop sometimes. Their poop is a little ball, and our poop sometimes can be a ball, sometimes can be a little skinny thing. Like Big baby. Thanks for joining us at Suson Park. Make sure to check out our channel and also make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!